Hello friends, welcome to Shahin's Kitchen. As you all know, examinations are going on and children are busy in their studies, and during studies they feel hungry. So in spite of giving them fried food, we should try to give them something nutritious and healthy. Here I have taken peanuts. I am going to make a quick peanut salad in microwave. I have taken a cup of peanuts, pour water, add some salt to it and just microwave it for 3 minutes. See, I have microwaved my peas for 3 minutes and drained out the rest of the excess water. And here the other things which we'll require: a little bit of onion finely chopped, salt, chaat masala, red chili powder according to taste, some coriander leaves and green chili according to taste, and lemon juice, little bit of oil, very little bit, about a teaspoon of oil. Heat up the oil and put your peanut, put green chili, red chili powder, chaat masala, salt according to your taste, lemon juice, just saute it for a minute. Put off the flame. Add onion, coriander, and here's your peanut salad is ready to be enjoyed, and it will give you energy. So friends, go and prepare these healthy snacks for your children if they are giving their exams, and please share this recipe with your friends. And subscribe my channel if you like the recipe. Share it with your friends. Enjoy your cooking.